I'm Laura.
I'm Mike.
And we are Match Mead in Heaven.
And what are you going to fix the garage door?
I might.
It's making some. You going to lube sprayer on here?
Nope.
Nope. What are we doing today?
So this is a common household item that I'm sure all Americans have in their house for
Maybe
squeaky doors.
Garage item?
Maybe a garage. Okay, garage item that you would use for squeaky doors, whatever. But I'm going to show you a different use for WD-40 that I learned when we bought our stainless steel refrigerator.
You want to use it in the house?
We'll use it in the house. I love the smell of it. I may be weird, but I'm going to show you a different use for it. So all you need is WD-40 and a soft dry cloth. So you ready to see what happens?
Let's see, Laura. Convince me.
Okay. Here we go.
You got to do the end for the video.
If you like this video,
we've been doing this for a while, honey.
I don't get to do a lot of the talking, as you can see from previous videos, so I'm not used to taking over.
Now's your chance.
But if you like this video and want more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. And also, click that little bell icon for notifications, and you will be notified as to new videos that we put on our Match Mead in Heaven site.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We need some subscribers. So if you feel like you want to give us something, give us a subscription. And have a great day, and God bless.
That was a pretty shameless plug. Okay, if you can maybe try to get that spot on video.
I see it.
You see it? All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our WD-40, spray just a little bit on there. Doesn't take a lot. Wipe that off. And it also shines up your stainless steel appliances. Not only cleans it, but it keeps fingerprints off of it, and it shines it up.
Will I be able to open it when I grab it? It'll be so...
You will be surprised that yes, you can. It doesn't make it slick. But see, that spot is gone.
Let me see. Wow. So why not just use soap and water from the washing dishes?
Because the soap and water will leave a residue behind. This cleans it up and does not leave that like the soap bubbles behind. It just makes it real shiny.
It is shiny. Pretty cool.
Yep.
Do we have any other appliances?
Yes, I'm going to take you to the dishwasher, because like the refrigerator, the dishwasher gets a lot of use and it gets nasty.
This one looks worse, Laura, than the fridge.
Yes. So again, we're going to take just a little bit of WD-40. We're just going to wipe it on there. And it comes, the dirt comes right off. Now, like your cast iron skillets, once you get the first time you get your stainless steel appliances in the house, if you'll go ahead and treat it right then with WD-40, it'll keep them cleaner longer.
Wow.
That's what the appliance guy told me. So just a everyday household item makes cleaning of these stainless steel appliances so easy. You don't even have to put a lot of elbow grease in it. Just WD-40.
What's your rag look like?
It's not too bad because I clean them often, but it's got some black on it.
Good job. That looks a lot.
Looks
Lot
a
better.
lot cleaner. So let us know if you try this tip and you like it. Maybe we can come up with some more.
Thanks, Laura.
All right.
Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.
Hey.
What's wrong with you?
Hello. This is Mike. I'm Laura. We are Match Mead in Heaven. This is Olivia. And now Roscoe has joined our video. Olivia wanted to show you what she looked like. She just got her wisdom teeth cut out a few days ago, and
That is a cool invention, Olivia.
she looks like a little chipmunk.
Got ice in it and wrap it around. That's cool.
I think all oral surgeons should provide these for their patients. It has been awesome.
Yes.
So, any oral surgeons out there watching our videos, this right here, thumbs up. Right, Liv?
Yes.